You could be good at work. Yan, no? Iniingatan mo dito yung trabaho mo. You could love your work, no? Ito apron to mga babes, no? Yung black na yan, no? So, it looks like magaling ka sa trabaho, pulido ka sa trabaho, organized ka, at pwede ikaw yung type ng energy na tidy, at ayaw mo yung magsa-start ka ng work na magulo yung desk mo or yung place mo. So, you are someone here also who follows the policies or guidelines kung nagkatrabaho ka sa isang company or whatsoever, or if you are an entrepreneur or you could have both business or you're working as well. Nakita ko dito na maayos ka rito na um, maayos ka rito, no, in terms of also communicating with your potential customers, buyers, no, clients, ganyan. So, you are someone here, no, na may pagpapahalaga as well sa pera. So, tanggalin natin yung tissue. Commercial. Yeah, and with the Four of Coins energy, I'm seeing that your main goal or main priority is to save more money. So nakita ko na hindi kayo magastos, although you're buying yung mga gusto ninyong bilhin, no, hindi kayo yung as in gastador or gastadora, 'di ba? So may ganong klase ng energy. So you are someone here who manages really well your finances, no? And at the same time, may nakuha rin ako ron na parang kayo ito, no, na magaling rin kayo mag-schedule or mag-manage ng time, no? Money and time. Yeah, kasi yung iniisip ninyo is yung long term na paggagamitan ninyo ng inyong pananalapi or pera, no? So, best possible na meron kayo rito mga plano in the future at ito ay big plano, no? Na gagawin ninyo sa pera ninyo. Okay? Could be working a lot, busy working a lot, or focus with your work. So, let us see. What else? Yung related na other informations with this for you guys. Okay. Oh, may ganon. Okay. Main energy no, sa ating center ay ang Seven of Cups energy, World Card. Wow, you've got all the queens in here. So, parang empress-like energy ka na rin. So, wala tayong gender dito, no? So, bale lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pero, yun nga, no? We have here, no? Almost all the queens, diba? We have here the Queen of Wands. You also have here the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups. So, definitely, okay, almost like empress energy. Babae ka man or lalaki, no? LGBT, just take how this resonates. Okay. Bottom of the deck, okay. Three of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Swords energy. So, hi and hello there, collective. Hi, new viewers. My name is Yan. Welcome here. You can bring your other barkadas, your loved ones, your friends, your jowa, no? Your crush, no, dito sa channel na to, no, just take only what resonates, welcome. At sa aking mga returning tambuyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. And yeah, mga babes, no, wala tayong gender dito, no, kagaya na binanggit ko, no, kanina, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin magka-switch or magka-swap yung mga roles dahil ito ay isang general reading and at the end of the day, everybody meron kayong free will na free nyo pong gamitin anytime, where and timeless din po ito. So, pwedeng ito ay tapos na nangyari na, sa iba naman nangyayari na ngayon, at sa iba naman ay mangyayari pa lamang, kaya naman, just take only what resonates na. But definitely, ang ganda, no? We have here the main energy Seven of Cups, the World card energy, what does that mean? No, people right here, no, are mesmerized by you. Wow. So definitely they're curious right here, no? They're curious dito, no? Yan, gusto nila malaman dito mga babes, you know. They're curious about you. They're curious about your life, yan, no? So, I do pick up that this is you. Medyo sikat ka, medyo doesn't have to be that you are famous or well-known worldwide, pero mukhang meron dito na parang energy na kilala ka. No? Kilala ka sa trabaho ninyo, kilala ka sa iyo ritong negosyo, or kilala ka no, sa inyo ritong tinitirahan, no, or sa inyong office, no, or kilala ka rito, no, you are attractive with the Queen of Wands energy. You know what you want, you know who you want, no. So, nakita ko dito na from the looks of this, yan, no, Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, Page of Swords right here. Okay? It only took a very short time, no? Kumbaga parang konting time lang yung kailangan rito, no? You can definitely make people fall in love with you, or you can definitely make people here got curious about you. Yan. So, definitely, kumbaga effortlessly mong kaya dito makapag-attract no, ng any individual right here sa iyong life. At hindi lang yun. Hindi lang individuals ang kaya mong ma-attract rito, like new friends or new lover right here, no, kundi pati opportunities. Yan, no. Ang taray nun, no, it only takes, no, parang ilang minuto lang, no, for someone to get curious about you, no, or for someone here to fall in love with you. So definitely, you are really standing out. Your energy, your aura is really positive. Kasi alam mo, yung energy mo kasi with the Queen of Wands energy plus all of the queens pa dito, no, so we have here the Queen of Coins and the Queen of Cups. So definitely you are someone here who almost gives me the vibe of an empress, no? Or kung lalaki ka, emperor's energy, di ba? So nakita natin dito that you are attractive. Okay? Malakas yung charm mo, no? Or inyong sex appeal with other people. So you have here the power to attract any individual that you want, no? So nakita natin dito that with the Page of Cups energy, you could probably merong mga suitors with S, no? Or meron dito mga nakagkaka-crush sa inyo, yung iba hidden, no? So you have here secret admirers, no? With this Two of Swords in reverse position in the Page of Swords, what does that mean, Miss Yan? That only means, no, that people right here, no, parang may energy rito na kahit na hindi ka nila ganun kakilala, parang nararamdaman nila yung sincerity from you. Kaya may chance na mag-open up din sila sa inyo. So, yung iba na parang kailan mo lang nakilala, no, nakikita ko rito na hindi mahirap for them to open up their problems sa inyo, no? Because they feel you. Because they feel the sincerity inside you. Because they feel that the advices that will gain from you ay makatutulong sa kanila. No? They will find it helpful. So, yung nakikita natin dito. So, wow, you are someone here they look up to. Okay? So, may mga humahanga sa iyo dito, may mga nagkakakrush sa iyo dyan, may mga gustong juwain kayo dyan. Meron din gusto rito na maging kagaya ninyo, no? So, parang how to be you po. Yan, no? So, they're curious. They're curious if this is your suitors, they're curious kung paano kanila dito mapapa-in-love. If these are people here na gusto kang maging friends, they're curious paano kanila rito magiging friends, ano yung dapat nilang gawin. If this is someone here who wants to hire you, if you are someone looking for a job or looking for something related with financial, no, they're curious kung paano kanila rito um, mapapapayag to sign a contract with them, or they're curious, no, kung paano ka makikipag-business partnership with them. So, people are definitely curious ano man yung situations they're dealing, no, sa inyo, no, whether that's love area, whether that's financial area, whether that's connection, like friendship area. So, these people right here are really curious, okay? Pero isa lang yung tinutumbok. They wanna get closer to you. Yan, no? So, with the world card energy, these energies right here are evidently speaking to me that they look up to you, no? Like you are on a high pedestal, no? Na parang, oh, ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganito. Maganda, mabait, matalino, masinop, masikap sa trabaho. Yan. Magaling sa pinansyal, mag-budget, maghawak rito, no? Ng pinansyal, yan, no? You can definitely manage your time really well and your resources. Walang naaaksaya rito. And at the same time, no, alam mo yung may itsura ka na, maganda ka, gwapo ka, no, malakas yung charm mo, malakas yung sex appeal mo rito, and you have that heart as well. The Queen of Cups ay present dito. So definitely, parang kompletos ricados ka, no? Kumbaga parang sabi nga ni Daniel, no, ni DJ sa kanta niya, no, Nesiyen na ang lihet. No? So, kung sino man tong energies na nakuha natin dito, no? People here see your truth, yan, no? With the Ace of Swords energy, no? They want to communicate with you. They want to talk to you, no? They want to be like you, no? They want na maging role model kayo rito sa kanilang ginagawa, sa kanilang life, sa negosyo nila, sa pagkakaperahan, sa career, sa job, no? Sa lahat ng kanilang areas of life, no? And people right here, like your friends, they wanna know your secret right here, na paano ba, kung kayo man ay nasa isang love and relationship na yung iba sa inyo, okay? Paano nyo na-maintain yung harmonious connection ninyo or relationship ninyo with your partner? They wanna know how, no? They wanna know how because, surely nakikita nila that you're doing it right, yan, no? Parang, yeah, nasa iyo na ang lahat kind of thing, no? So, kung sino man 'tong mga energies na 'to, no, humahanga sila sa'yo rito at nakaiinggitan, no, or kinaiinggitan nila rito yung buhay or yung way of living mo, no, kung paano ka mabuhay. Because nakikita ko dito na they are seeing you as you're living your life at its fullest, no. So, meaning to say, okay ka sa work mo, you're good at your work, okay ka sa love life mo, kung may love life ka man ngayon, you're doing well, no, yung iba happily married with their husband, with their wife, no, yung iba happy sa isang relationship with their boyfriend, girlfriend, LGBTQ supports, welcome din kayo. And yung iba rito, no, na waiting for their someone or new love, no, to come into or to enter into their life, no, but still happy, waiting for that destiny nila, no. So, nakikita ko rito that you are on the right track and people right here wants to know your secret, yan, no. So, gusto nila malaman dito, no. Alam mo kasi mga babes, no, when you're happy and when you're okay, you're doing great, then, ikaw ay lapitin. Hindi lang ng mga connections, hindi lang ng mga energies ng mga individuals, kundi ng mga opportunities rin. So, definitely, you are attracting here, no, all of the things, no, life offers. All the goods that life offers. Ang taray, no? So, you are someone here na parang, alam mo yun, no? Ang bait mo na, no? Matulungin ka pa rito, tapos maganda ka pa. So, parang ano na, you are definitely a good catch. If these people right here are your suitors, no, definitely you are a good catch, no? Kumbaga sa isda na ikaw yung mga babes, no, parang pinaka malupit, no, sa lahat ng mabibingwit na mga fish, 'di ba? Sa sea, ganyan, no? Or kung sila naman ito na gusto rito maging kagaya mo, no, gusto nila rito ma-embodies rin syempre yung swerte, yun yung nakikita nila sa'yo eh, swerte ka sa work, swerte ka sa pagkakaperahan, so gusto nila maging kagaya mo, no? So, paano ba yun, 'di ba? So, yung mga tips, yung mga advices na sasabihin mo, sineseryoso talaga nila yan, no? So, nakikinig sila rito. So, you have here people, no, listening to you. So, you could be in a higher position or baka supervisor ka, manager ka, but doesn't have to be. But you've got the guts, 'di ba? So, kaya mong mag-strive pa more at ma-attain mo rito at ma-achieve mo rito yung gusto mo rito ma-achieve in your career and in your job or businessman yan. No? So ano man yan, people right here are curious about you, about your life here, no? And yung iba, no, with the Queen of Wands, no, yung iba, possible na meron kayong social media platform kung saan possible na yung iba is posibleng nagba-vlog or yung iba meron ditong channel, no? So, you could be doing contents right here, no? Na possible na not really related sa yung personal life, no? Kasi nakikita ko dito parang curious sila to know eh sino ba yung family mo, or are you already taken or in a relationship with someone, or what else yung gusto pa nilang malaman about your personal life. So, kung kunyari ganito, kung may channel ka, no, puro pagluluto lang yung sinishare mo doon, so possible na yun yung content mo, no? But, yeah, people right here are curious sa'yo mismo, no? About your life, your personal life, no? So, they wanna be like you. They wanna know about you. People right here, iba-iba yung energies nila. Gusto nila ligawan ka, yung iba gusto nila makipagkaibigan sa'yo, yung iba gusto nila maging kagaya mo rito sa aspeto ng kaperahan, no? So, you're vibrant, no? So, nakikita natin dito that you're radiant, no? Ay talaga naman na nagsusuminag, no? Yung liwanag ng sinag ng iyo ritong aura, no? Ay talagang hagip na hagip ng mga energies na ito, no? So, may mga humahanga dito, they complement you guys, no? From your physical appearance up to your behaviors, pag-uugali, hanggang sa kung paano ka magtrabaho, talagang bongga. And with the Three of Cups energy, Seven of Wands right here, there's this Knight of Swords. I'm seeing, no, na yung iba na single ngayon, no, pero waiting lang kayo, not pressuring yourself, no. Knight of Swords is an indication that your knight in shining armor, your princess riding a white horse, is coming right to you guys. That's in love. Yeah, that's in love. Na someone here, no, is pursuing you. Okay, and you could probably meet that person here before the half of 2025. See, sabi ko sa inyo, you've manifested here your knight in shining armor, your princess riding a white horse. Yan, no? So, people here, dagdag message na people here admires na hindi ka umaatras rito, no, sa mga problema. Pag may challenging, hindi ka umaatras, no. You defend and protect here yourself. Your name, if it is a career or job, you protect your name. You protect your work, no. So, dito, okay, ikaw yung klase ng energy na hindi patulog-tulog sa pansitan, ginagawan mo ng paraan yung problema at hindi ka nagpapalugmok at iiyak na lang sa tabi. So, nakikita ko rito na parang dahil dun sa pag-iisip mo, kasi may plano ka, may plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, no? Dire-diretso pa yon, no? May plano ka dito, kaya nagwo-work yung plano mo. Kaya ang ending ay Three of Cups energy, no? Because all of your actions right here are definitely limitless. Nakikita natin dito, no? Na you are celebrating, no? Winnings yan, no? Mapa small wins man yan up to big wins, no? You celebrate and you're grateful because of that. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you. It only takes, no, a little time for people to get attracted to you. Wow, continue embodying that type of energy, because this is the type of energy here that will make you as well more prosperous and more abundant in life. So thank you so much. Again, I'm Yana Onni, Sarang Hiyo, Love and Light. And